6.3 work with worksheet. We have used the two videos earlier to talk about how you can get default worksheet or using this wb.active. And also we used the last video to talk about how you can get worksheet and how you can create new worksheets. But let's open our file. So if I come to here, if I open this worksheet, so you can see here is always these three worksheets. Our worked one doesn't save into the worksheet. So if you want to make the save, remember here. So we should have, let me see here, the WB save. So let me use this save. Continue the last one. So I create the first and the last additional worksheets. So if I finish this, then I open our vehicle one. Now they have the 5 sheets. So all my the worked sheets are saved into the disk. So through this way, then you will not lose what you have done. But if without this wb.save feature or function, all of your work is still in just the RAM or memory. So remember that. So if you don't want to lose work, ensure you have the save working. And then for this video, we just quickly go to the rest 3. So delete is using either the remove or delete workbook with this bracket sheet. Move is just a move underscore sheet. Copy underscore worksheets is just to be aware the different names. Some is using the work, and this move is similar to the create. But create a new worksheet, you give our the position. Move, you give our offset. So that is kind of the interesting part. So let's create our new file. And we don't use our the working test, but we can just create our the new the empty for workbook and add worksheets. So 635 delete worksheets. Yeah. We need this py. Also here is also I didn't give the extension. So 6.5 is let's make the coding. So from OpenPyXL, you can use this auto complete and import this workbook. And then we make the instance. Workbook is workbook. And then workbook 2 is equal to worksheet. Worksheet 2 is our workbook create sheet. We learned the last video. So table 2. So not table. It's better we use sheet 2 because you have our these sheets by default sheet. So print. I see the sheet names. We can use these multiple times. So when we have initialize, we should have that sheet, and now we have a sheet 2. So remember, you should not starting from worksheet 1. And then we just keep is we don't want the variable. We just create some more sheets. So this one. So we give this 3, and this is 4. Then we make this print again. So now we have 4 sheets. and then we can start to do this remove. It's very easy. So we remove. I want to remove our worksheet 2. So you need to use this variable. So for this one, then let me print. So worksheet 2 is gone. Or if you don't have the worksheet 2, WS2 as the variable, you can use this delete. I just want to delete WB, and then I can give the name. So sheet 3. So then let me print that again. So I should see the sheet 3. Oh, sorry, sheet, delete sheet. Oh, worksheet sheet 3 doesn't exist. Oh, yeah, you see the case sensitive. I use the small s. Okay, then this sheet 3 is gone. So you need to ensure is you have this correct case. Then that's the I leave this as the 635 as the delete. Then we go to the 636. It's the move worksheet. So we create something here. So let's make those quickly. So open import workbook. I hope it's, you can follow me. It's practice. I don't copy paste, but you can practice this through typing the code. That's the good learning. So then this WB, you can use this create sheet 2. Then we can make this let's create more. Yeah, and then we can print WB there dot sheet names. So I should have 5 sheets. So first is the sheet without number, and then let's make the move. So pay attention to the position. So 0. This is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's use this move sheet. I want to move the sheet 1 to the second. So positive is right, negative is left. So then remember it's case sensitive. Then let's print. Need to do the print. So now sheet is here. Sheet 1 is first. And if you further do the move, you will based on this one. So let's make 4. I want 4 go to the 2 left. So this is the come to here is 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So let's use minus 3. Then number 4 should come to the first one. So I should save. Oh, again, sheet 4. Oh, so here, so I use small s. That's another tricky part. So now sheet 4 is come to the first, and all the sheet 2, 1, 3 is shifted into the right. So that is the, just remember this method. So let's come to 637. It's a copy worksheet. So it's kind of not so many. Often you use this is open this import workbook. Let's make the instance workbook and print workbook sheet names. So first let's ensure we got our default. sheet's name. Let's run. Okay, sheet. When you go to like there's no outputs, it's highly possible is your save of the code is not finished. So like what I did is you just need to maybe wait a couple of seconds or resave. Then that should be coming to the correct result. So let's create make wb.active. So this come to our default worksheet. So you will come to this one. So the active worksheet is your default now. Then use this workbook function. It's a copy worksheet. Here we have this work before sheet. Then we copy one and sorry, I print this again. This should have a copy second one. So that's the sheet copy. So that is the way. So we have this, and we did this copy worksheet, and we want to make the title because the sheet copy is not looks good. So we will assign this to her variable, and then you can use this variable property to change new sheet. And then let's print that again. You can see here you get this customized naming to your new copied sheet. So from here, I hope is you are able to get some feelings through the Python. You can work many ways about the worksheets. And then it's in the later on, we will come to style, and especially go to how to work with style. It's merge, insert, move, and then it's we do some the worksheets manipulate is like sorting, filtering, so which is some common activity you are doing within the Excel file. And if you want to make that save, so you will save. Let's see, so test.xlsx. Let's see here whether we got. You can see here we got our file is saved here. So actually, we cannot use the this not positive and the absolute the passes because you need to ensure your path is here. So this is your current working directory. If you want to use this dot slash, you need to ensure you switch your the current path to this folder, your current folder. So there's no difference, but whenever you want to work with our file that you don't want to care about where you are sitting in the working directory, use this absolute path will be more safe. Yeah. Thank you. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.